Hello, welcome to Prime African Estate. Today we are showcasing a magnificent bungalow in Ongata Rongai, Rimpa area. So this bungalow is in a property that has 14 units, and these 14 units, each unit here goes for Kenya shillings 6.5 million. It's a 3-bedroom bungalow that goes for Kenya shillings 6.5 million. You can either pay on mortgage or you can pay on cash. The bungalow is built in a plot of a 50 by 100 plot, so it has enough and spacious, as you see. As you can see in the community, you can see it's a gated community where you have every unit has a perimeter wall. It's a very long perimeter wall, and every unit also has a gate. So this is our unit, as you see. It's a 50 by 100 plot. As you can see, it's a corner plot, by the way. So this also gives us even an extra space or an extra area beyond the 50 by 100 plot. This is one of the affordable housing in Ongata Rongai. You won't get many places that have such properties where you just pay 6.5 million to own a home or to own your own house. So this is the entry point of the house. The living area is made of tiles. You can see it is good tile. Looking at the wall, you can see just some excellent colors. I like these colors they have used, and also it has a gypsum. So it has a gypsum ceiling, and you can see the downlights are well put from the gypsum. It also has a gate, that is a gate bell. So if you ring your bell from the gate to get to Saudi. So that one is the provision is done. It also has a security alarm that is also installed on this unit. This is the dining area. So the dining area is just ample, it is enough, it's spacious. This one could fit even a setup of even 8 people. So this is the kitchen. So the kitchen is spacious enough, as you will see. It's just spacious. You see you have the provision for everything. You have the provision for your cooker there. And also you have the provision for the fridge. You have your modern sink here. You can see the cabinets the lower cabinets are there, and also the upper cabinets. So if there is enough sockets within the kitchen, you can use anywhere you want to put like something like of your microwave. Now this one is a pantry. It's just spacious enough to fit everything you want to put inside your pantry. And from that, you have a door there that goes just to the exterior to just get out of the house. So it's just the kitchen door. So it ensures that if you don't want to come direct using the living room door, you can use even this door from the kitchen, and also that makes it easy to access even the kitchen garden. So here you have your washing area. You can see your drainage. It also provides you a socket that you can use to put your washing machine or any necessary thing you want to do within your laundry area. So you can see the kitchen tops here. They are granite. I like them. They are smart. This is what we would call a sleek design of the kitchen. You can see how they have done the tiles. They ensure that the tiles are almost halfway. This ensures that the kitchen you can easily clean and there's no stains. So from there, let's start with our first room. So you can see how they have designed this area to ensure that you get inside your rooms. So it ensures that the privacy. you're not in a situation where you just get out of your room and someone from the living room can just see you. So you have some privacy here. So here you have your sink there, so you can wash your hands in. So this is the first room in this house. So you can see it's spacious enough. And you can see it has ample lighting from the window, and you also can see the cabinet here. And I like their cabinet. They are quite something. They are quite quality, and they are big. You see, you can see it's just from the floor all up to the ceiling. So it's enough just to put your everything you want to put. You want to hang your clothes, you want to put your suitcase there, and some clothes and some shoes here. Now next here is this is our suite bathroom there. You can see it is spacious. You can see our shower heater there. You can see the toilet and the sink. So for the mirror, you will have to do that provision on your own. Something I want to show you, maybe I should have shown you, this unit has water. There's plenty of flowing water. So you do not have to worry about water. It has water and it has electricity, as I've shown you, as you can see. So this is a shared common bathroom. So there's a common bathroom where this room shares with the living room. So people from the living room can use that bathroom as well as the person inside this room. So this is the second room in this house. You can see it's spacious, it's big. You can fit your bed here, and also you have your closet here, and it just look awesome. So next, we're gonna see our master bedroom. The master bedroom is big, and it's also, I like the design. Look where it is placed. It's placed from the other room. So for those who like privacy, I think I like this design where you place the master bedroom opposite of the other rooms. So here comes the master bedroom. It is spacious. You can see first the closet. It's big. It ensures that you can fit all your clothes here. So for the two people, for the couple, they can fit their clothes here. Look how big this room it is. Also you can look how the natural light comes in through the window. So also you can see the gypsum done. It's well done, and ensures that there's some downlights. Ensure that the whole room is well lit. Next, this is our bathroom. So the bathroom is here. It is also a simple but classic bathroom. You can see the tiling is done from floor almost to the top. Something else, you have your shower heater there, it's provided, and also the sink and the toilet, they are just of good quality. So this is one of affordable house or unit in Ongata Rongai in Rimpa area. It goes for 6.5 million. So you can either pay through mortgage or through cash. So we are so grateful, and for the subscribers, please subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and family, and also for those who need an investment opportunity, you can call us, and you can also get this unit and rent it out. Thank you, and see you in our next video.